If there is one sport that defines India at the Olympic Games, then it is hockey. The legacy of Indian hockey is unparalleled, and 3 years ago, a long wait ended for Indian sport. Hello and welcome to this special build-up to the Paris Olympic Games. With me, Digvijay Singhdeo. I'm delighted to be joined by two men who were instrumental in India's return to the Olympic podium after 41 years. Manpreet Singh and PR Srijesh. I had the both of you join me hours after you won that bronze medal in Tokyo, and it's so good to see you in the mix as we head into Paris. My first question is to you, Srijesh. Was there ever any thought of, done now, I won the medal, now let's retire?
See, if that was in my mind, then I would have left that field from there itself, from Tokyo itself. But you know that when something left behind, that's like everyone we spoke that time itself. It's all about trying to change the color of the medal, you know. You are still young, you're still going strong. So you can dream. You are allowed to dream, and that dream is forcing me to go beyond my limitations, and that is why we are here.
Manpreet, you captained that team in Tokyo. Every Indian hockey team that has gone to an Olympic Games, it's gone so with the weight of expectations. There was a time, I remember, when a medal wasn't expected across any discipline. It was always about what will the Indian men's hockey team do. I need to ask you a direct question. Did Tokyo and that medal, did it change your life?
Yes, it did actually, क्योंकि उसके बाद ना हॉकी का जो आई थिंक जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था बहुत चेंज हो गया था. बहुत यंगस्टर्स, बहुत पेरेंट्स ऐसे थे कि उसके बाद हॉकी को वो ना अपने बच्चों को डालना चाहते थे हॉकी में. और हमारे लिए भी एक ड्रीम था ऑब्वियसली कि श्री भाई काफी टाइम से खेलते आ रहे हैं, उनको देखते भी हम लोग टीवी में थे. ठीक है.
He's telling you you're old, Srijesh.
Yes.
तो ऐसा था कि हाँ कि एक हमेशा ड्रीम रहा कि हाँ कि हॉकी में भी एक मेडल आना चाहिए कि सभी का बहुत ड्रीम था. और जो टीम उस वक्त गई थी टोक्यो में, उसमें अगर बात करूं तो उसमें सभी का जो माइंडसेट था वो काफी स्ट्रांग था. अगर पीछे से देखा जाए, श्री भाई था, वो हमेशा सभी को यही बोलते थे कि पॉजिटिव रहना और इस पर हम लोग कर सकते हैं. और उस टीम ने बहुत कुछ सेक्रीफाइस किया था, क्योंकि हम लोग कोविड के टाइम पे हम लोग बैंगलोर में यहाँ पे रहे, अपनी फैमिलियों से दूर रहे. श्री भाई अपनी फैमिली से, बच्चों से दूर रहे, सभी अपनी फैमिली से दूर रहे थे. बहुत कुछ सेक्रीफाइस किया हुआ था हम लोगों ने. तो बट जब हमें वो मेडल मिला ना, तो उस वक्त वो रियलाइज हुआ कि हाँ कि जो हम लोगों ने सेक्रीफाइस किया था ना, वो फाइनली हमें वो आज दिन मिला है, देखने के लिए मिला है कि हमें फाइनली हम लोगों ने मेडल जीता है.
You and Manpreet were both part of the Indian team that finished rock bottom in London. I also remember you refused to click a photo with me in London towards the end of those games. Did standing on the Olympic podium in Tokyo that evening, did it erase those bad memories?
Never. It can't. You know, I think that was something which stays with me till my last breath. I mean, that's what I feel like, because you know, that was an era. You might remember in 2008 we didn't qualify for the Olympic Games, and being a youngster, I was there, part of that core group, not in the team, but I was part of that core group. And from there, that you know, that pain started, and after 4 years we qualified for London, but you know that how that ended up, and the way people treated us. Manpreet were there that time, and I mean, I know you witnessed a lot of things. The way people treated us, the way you know, we managed by a lot of officials, whatever you can say, that was really bad. And that time we were like, I mean, not really young, but still youngsters playing first Olympics. You know, expectations used to be really high, and that pain always still, you know, and whichever things you win, once you close your eyes, you can still get that pain. And I think it will not ever go from me.
Manpreet, sport is always about highs and lows, you know. And when we discuss the highs, we always have to take in the lows, as Shri was mentioning just now. There was also a big low in 2023 with the early exit from the World Cup at home in Orissa. But then the Asian Games came around and you all won the gold over there, which booked the Olympic berth. How big a blow was that? And was there some hard conversations when the team sort of reconvened after the World Cup? If you could just tell us about how the team sort of bounced back from that early exit in Orissa.
यस क्योंकि उस वक्त वर्ल्ड कप में सभी का जो परफॉर्मेंस था काफी अच्छा चल रहा था। हम लोग पिछले उस एक साल से काफी अच्छा करते आ रहे थे, तो हमें सभी को उम्मीद थी कि इस बार होम में वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा, तो डेफिनेटली कि जो टीम है काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगी। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोगों ने न्यूजीलैंड से जो मैच हारा, उसके बाद जो टीम थी वो काफी सैड थी और थोड़ा सा अपसेट थी, क्योंकि वो हम लोगों ने ऐसा नहीं सोचा था कि हम लोग ऐसा फिनिश करेंगे। हमारा एम था कि हमें फाइनल तक जाना है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोगों ने वैसे फिनिश किया। बट उसके बाद जब हम लोगों ने कैंप में आए, वो एक टर्निंग पॉइंट था वहां पे। उसमें हम लोगों ने बात किया कि जो अभी पास्ट है उससे हम लोग सीख सकते हैं कि हम लोगों ने वहां पे क्या इंप्रूवमेंट करने की जरूरत है, बट उसको अभी भूल के हमें मूव ऑन करना है, क्योंकि इस साल में हमारे पास एशियन गेम्स हैं जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जहां से हम लोग को ओलंपिक के लिए क्वालिफाई करना है। तो वहां से हम लोगों ने लेसन सीखे कि हाँ कि वर्ल्ड कप में क्या गलत गया और हमें क्या क्या चीजें ऐसी हैं जहाँ पे इम्प्रूव करने की जरूरत है और उसके ऊपर काम किया जाए।
Manpreet, Paris coming up shortly. I don't want to be sort of looking into a crystal ball, but perhaps looking at how long you both have been around, it's probably going to be the last Olympics for both you and Srijesh. Do you feel India is ready to stand on the podium again?
Hello.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother. At least through this media, you are reliving his original age. He is telling me that, okay, I'm Buddha, but he is also Buddha. He forgot that. So ultimately, what happened in a team sports, the senior...
यंग एज में आ गया था, मैं थोड़ा यंग एज में आ गया था। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मुझे आप ऐसे ही बोलते रहो।
Okay, I stand corrected. But my question is still the same. Do you think India is ready to repeat again on the podium?
Yes, but हम लोग जैसे हम लोगों ने टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में देखा, तो वैसे ही हम लोग इस ओलंपिक्स में वैसे ही अप्रोच कर रहे हैं कि मतलब वही माइंडसेट कि मतलब स्टेप बाय स्टेप ऊपर जाना है, किसी भी टीम को अंडरएस्टिमेट नहीं करना है, क्योंकि ओलंपिक्स है, वहाँ पे आपको कोई भी टीम कभी भी सरप्राइज कर सकती है। तो उसमें यही रहता है कि इस बार यही कि अपने जितने भी यंगस्टर है, जितने भी नए पहली बार ओलंपिक खेलने जा रहे हैं, तो उनके साथ जो श्री भाई है, हरमन है, जितने भी ऑलरेडी ओलंपिक्स खेल चुके हैं, अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रहे हैं उनके साथ ना, कि इस ओलंपिक्स में हमें क्या क्या चीजों के ऊपर फोकस करना है। और यही है कि एम बड़ा रखना है कि हमें मेडल का कलर चेंज करना है, बट उसको कैसे अचीव करना है, वही स्मॉल थिंग्स कि हाँ कि मैच बाय मैच ऊपर जाना है, हर मैच में 100% देना है और किसी भी टीम को अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं करना है। वही चीज के ऊपर हम लोग फोकस करते आ रहे हैं।
Okay, Srijesh, final word to you. We heard Manpreet say his piece, but I want to ask you, why do you think India will repeat on the podium at the games in Paris?
First of all, the progress what we made throughout the year, I mean through years, it's one of the confidence which we got because we beat all the top teams in the world. And second thing is that the amount of effort, the hard work what we are making here in Bangalore right now, that's give us more confidence. Third, with a new core group, with the new coaching staff, the style changed, new technologies we implemented in the team, and that's also an added positive things with this team. And moreover, like the way what we are playing right now, it's we are capable to win a medal in Paris. But still, as Manpreet mentioned, it's already it's not going to be really easy. It's going to be really tough because the top 6 teams are equally good enough to be there in the podium. So first thing, match by match. Second thing, focus on your business. Third thing, work as a team. Fourth thing, support each other. Fifth, definitely give a 100% each and every match, so that it's not going to be really easy because in a very short time we are going to play 8 matches, including the finals. Then you just need to prepare. You just need to look after yourself. You need to take care of yourself. You need to be fit. You need to focus more into your recoveries. So these all things are really important. Everyone know about that. Everyone is preparing for them. Preparing their mind to take this challenge and to perform really well. So I think what we are doing right now, that is our confidence.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.